Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by making a backup and locating the problem link so you don't lose work. Once you've saved, click the hyperlink text or right-click the links area to reveal options. Make sure you identify the link type, web URL, mail to, or document bookmark, because the fix differs slightly. If it's an internal bookmark, note the target heading or location. If it's a web address, copy the intended correct URL into your clipboard before you proceed. You now fix the link itself. Right-click and choose Edit Hyperlink or press Ctrl+K to open the dialog. This is where you change the destination. For web links, paste the corrected URL into the address box and verify it begins with HTTP or HTTPS. For internal links, click Bookmark and reselect the correct heading or anchor. Once updated, make sure the display text still reads properly. If formatting is the issue, use Remove Link, then reapply to reset behavior. Finish by testing the link. Ctrl+click or click to open it and confirm it goes to the right place. If it still fails, inspect for stray spaces, invisible characters, or a missing HTTP/HTTPS prefix. These small issues break links. Once done, resave the document. If problems persist, remove the hyperlink and recreate it from scratch or rebuild the bookmark target. One tip: if links work for some users but not others, ensure the URL isn't blocked by network settings or protect.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.